So today we wanted to keep pushing and testing the Sony A7R Mark II capabilities and performance in low light. So we found this abandoned old arcade roller place, I guess. I don't know how they call it.
Yeah, you're not only testing the Sony Alpha, but they're also testing me because I'm freaking scared of this place.
This place is insane.
My heart's pounding without a workout.
Okay. Do you see this place? The light is so epic. This place looks just amazing. Oh my god, look at the ceilings. What was it?
Why are you doing this to me? So fucking scary.
The places that no one usually recommends you to go in. This is where all the scary stuff happens. This is so epic. Whew. So how do you like it?
Yeah, it was pretty cool, but I'm such a coward that I'm always scared of every single little bird or a leaf falling. So I'm quite terrified being here. I want to just go home.